I needed a city where the city would play a role.
It was being shot in my favorite city, which I called second home, Calcutta.
You know, the city would add to the intrigue, the city would add to the suspense, the city would add to the love.
For Kahani, I was here for a whole 2 months.
We shot on every possible street that you can think of in Kolkata. Every possible street.
Passing by, I say, we shot here. And then I go, oh, but we shot here also. So it's almost like we took over Cal for those 2 months. I know Kolkata quite well, but the way I've seen Kolkata this time around, I think I've been to every nook and cranny in the city.
I don't think in any other film ever has the city of Calcutta been exposed so well. I mean, not even a Bengali film.
We wanted to shoot in Kumartuli, so we went and shot in there, which was really good, like little thin lanes, and we had to shoot in there, and there's no light, so we had to create light of our own. It was really great fun. We shot in the Durga Puja, you know, that whole outfit of a Durga Puja, which is just next to Baliganj Cultural. If you walk in there, you feel something could have happened here. You know, it just gives you that feeling. You know, it's straight out of one of those old little thin mystery book, you know, that something could have happened here, and I wanted that feeling.
We had a very good time. We had a crazy time. We have a crazy director, so we had a crazy time shooting for the film.
I mean, every day was an adventure on its own because we were shooting on crowded streets and inside the tram. It was, at times, we almost felt like we were shooting for a guerrilla film.
We managed to choose all the location which would give us the greatest pain. In terms of shooting, in terms of logistics, but that's what we wanted. You know, the more complicated it is, the more ad hoc it becomes, and the more documentary this film becomes. You know, the more we plan, the more, you know, the energy goes away from the film. So we wanted that ad hocness. We wanted that little bit of uncertainty. We were going in there knowing maybe this will happen, maybe this will happen. So,
I mean, that's the fun of shooting on real locations because you don't know what's going to happen. You also run, you know, the happy risk of getting or recording such happy accidents, such pleasant accidents, such beautiful moments, the beautiful things which you get while shooting on real location.
I'm hoping we've made a very good film that people enjoy watching. But importantly, I think all of us have the satisfaction that there is nothing more we could have done for this film.
This whole experience of Kahani totally reconfirms the fact that Kolkata is my home.